Hello, I've come to talk about three things in this video. Yeah, but one thing I just want to talk about in general is I want to talk to a person that wishes to start. Listen, phone accessory business is not a business that is a local business. It's actually an international business, meaning anyone can do it from anywhere in every part of the country, right? Particularly, I am in Zambia, but I've coached people that are even outside my country, like Nigeria. I've coached some people to start. I've coached people from Zimbabwe to start. I've coached people from Uganda to start. So I've also talked to people even in the UK. I've also talked to people who are in Pakistan. I've talked to people who are in India. So, guys, it's actually an international business. And whatever things that I talk about, they'll actually cater for everyone in every part of the country, right? So I want to share with you in this video, guys, like the things, three important things that can get you started. Many people when they start this business, you go to them, you ask for knowledge and all that. Many people they do hide. I understand that. Also, the information that I do give out, guys, it's somehow even putting me at risk because I may be seated here and the information I'm uploading somewhere in my neighborhood gets the information. They build a bigger business even more than mine. So I put myself on a line, on a risk, but I don't care about that. What I really care is that if I'm doing fine, then someone else also must also be doing fine. Okay, that's why I share my mistakes. That's why I share my success so that someone else also must learn. We have different faiths, we have different roots. So, despite whatever the truth I can give you, the fact is that the business will learn the way you are. That's the way it is. So, there's no need of being scared for telling people the truth. No, if I tell them the truth, they can be better than me. No, no one can be better than me. You see, I'm better and no one will ever surpass me. I'm too good for everything. For this business, I'm just too good. You can't surpass me. And when you start as well, you'll be too good and no one will pass you. That's a good part. So I just want to educate you about three stuffs. So three things that I feel to say anywhere in the world, anyone who picks them up, they're able to thrive. Okay. So to do well in phone accessory business, to start, to do well, to continue doing well, you need three things. Okay. The first thing that you need is a connection. That is the first thing. Secondly, you need startup capital. Okay. Third, you need a place. Three things. Okay. When you have these three things, you are all man try. Okay. Now I'll talk about each and every these three things. Let me start with a connection. All right. Before I start with the connection, let me start with the capital. Capital. Most of the times, people when you talk about capital, they refer to money. When I'm saying capital, I don't really mean money, though it can mean money. But you need capital for you to get started. So how does someone say, how do I find the money? I don't have a business. That's the greatest question that I've ever find. Oh, now I would want to start this business, but I don't have capital, Mr. SIKA, whatever. You guys, listen. When it comes to money, when you want to start a business, just look around you. This is the only thing that I did myself. I looked around myself when I was getting started with a business. Of course, I just never started straight away with phone accessories. I started with phones, and I just started with one phone. I bought a phone on eBay. I sold it, then I increased the capital. Then I thought, no, this all money, let me put it in phone accessory business, and things started over like that. Now listen, you don't need a lot of money to get started. That's the first thing. And where do you get this capital? Just look around you and see anything that is valuable in your hands. Okay, some things that you have that are valuable in your hands are maybe clothes. Okay, maybe you have clothes that are valuable. You have things that are valuable with yourself. Okay, so the best is sell what you have which has value. Okay, that's how you find capital. Some of you might have a phone. Maybe it could be this very phone that you're watching me from. For you to watch me here, it means that's an expensive phone. Okay, so the best you can do, sell that phone. When you sell it, get the money. You have the capital. whatever money you're going to sell from that phone, that's your capital. Don't say no, maybe I've sold my phone at $10, it's not capital. No, that's the money that you have. Okay, in our language we say impia tashepa ichichepa mano, meaning money, there's no small money, the only small thing is wisdom and knowledge. So now whatever you realize from anything you sell that is valuable to you, that is what you're going to use as your startup capital. Okay, now when you organize your capital, the second thing that you have to work on is a place. Now when we talk about a place, most of you guys, let me say, we are almost desperate when we are starting this business. We are really desperate when looking for places. So as a result, we look for places that are not even valuable. We look for those places that cannot even learn our business as well. So the best that you can do is to look for a place that is busy, a place that has traffic. I'm building a small booth, the one I was using elsewhere, and you guys are seeing how it is changing dramatically. Like, it is moving so fast, even more than the way I was starting when I was just starting my business. So within just less than a month, I've made a lot of change and a lot of sales, and it has, guys, it has moved so fast, very fast. When I say fast, I'm talking about sales. It's giving a lot of sales. So what makes that, in case you don't know what I'm talking about, just search building phone accessory business from scratch. You'll find videos I've uploaded of such, and I was showing on each and every day. I'm still uploading those videos, just that there are things I'm taking care of, so I'm no longer working there at the moment, but I'm still going back after some few days. So now look at this, guys. Right now there's someone who's working there. Okay, so guys, what I mean is this: you need a place that is faster. You need a place that can jumpstart you as fast as possible. And most of the times people think, like, there are moments when you get started and things are just stuck and all that. Yeah, of course, business should be slow as you start because nobody knows you. You're just getting noticed. But if the place is bad as well, it will be more slow. Okay, it will be very slow, completely slow, to the extent that even the lentils, if you are lenting, it will even be difficult for you to pay lentils, and that is very dangerous, right? So now, guys, you have to spot a place, you get some capital, and now the last thing is connections. What connections do you really need? You need connections for suppliers. Okay, where are you going to be getting your items from? You need suppliers. Okay, so people need to where are you going to be buying your stuff from? Okay, and we have suppliers in different categories. When you're within Africa, Oman, right, the major supplier, I advise people to say, if I told you in Africa, yeah, that's fine. You still have you can use suppliers from Tanzania. They supply most of the stuffs there. But if you're far off from Tanzania and all those places, I've also recommended on the platforms that you can use to buy from. Okay, so I made a video when I talked about platforms you can buy from online. So there are suppliers online that you can use. For them, the only problem is that it's not favorable for startups, because maybe they will tell you to say, just for buying phone covers you need a minimum of 1,000. You need to buy 1,000 covers, and you might find that those 1,000 covers, the money cannot even cater for half of those when you're starting. Most of the times you don't have money when you're starting. So normally, that's why I say search for local suppliers. Okay, mostly, almost each country have got suppliers that do this. Okay, but if at all you're really stuck and you don't know what you can do about these suppliers and all that stuff, you can still contact me. There are suppliers I can connect you to. But I always tell you to say, if you want a connection from me, I'll charge you a $10. I charge this amount because most of the times there are people that come to me and say, Mr. Sika, I need to start, what. I give them information, but they just destroy it. When I go back to them, did you start? No, maybe next year. So the only criteria I use to know that this person is serious is when they pay me. Then I know they are serious. Yeah, so you also need connections for those people. If you're nearby here in Zambia, you need people that should be buying for you. You don't need to be moving. I buy for people sometimes, especially those that are outside the country. I do send them because when you are outside, you are very far. you might find that you are spending your profits on your transports. But if we can create the trust, I can buy for you, I send whatever you are. But that's up to you to trust me or not to trust me. Yeah, I only make videos. I don't ask people to trust me. Yeah, in case I run away with your money, that will be your problem. Yeah, so mainly that's what I do. I buy for some people, then I send them over. So this is to cut on the cost, because I understand it's painful to start. So I need to help anyone that needs help. Man, I don't know who's gonna help me next. Yeah, so besides, I'm not asking for your help. Maybe you might help my son when the sun grows up. Okay, fine. Yeah, but what I just mean is that we are here to help each other, especially at this particular time when Africa is in this wave of trying to unite. I think I would be a happy person to contribute to that in terms of helping each other from outside the countries and all that. I would be a glad person. Fine. So that is it, guys. So you need those three things for you to get started. Okay. The other thing that I think you need from me is lighting for you the things that you need to get started with. You know, guys, you don't know anything except that. And once you don't know, don't try to do things that can bring losses to your business. I made a lot of mistakes, like I said, when I was getting started, because some of the things I bought couldn't even sell. So when you find me, that's better, because I can write for you. Tell me, okay, I'm having a $1,000 US, make a budget for me. I will sit down, I'll write for you the order prices and how much you can be selling them. Then you see your profits and all that. I'll write everything that you need to start with, because I've been first-hand information with this business, so I can be able to do that for you. But that also doesn't come free. I'll also charge you for that. So that's what you need, guys, to get started. So this information I've given you is not only in Zambia. You can start in South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, UK, USA. It's the same information that you need. You just need three things: contacts, where you need to buy from, you need startup capital, and you also need the place where you'll be working from. Just these three things. That's all. So for now, guys, please subscribe to my channel and also like, share it, and all that. If you see some ads running on my channel, please watch them to the end. I'll appreciate. Yeah, don't jump them. Right, so that is it, guys. So for now, it's bye-bye. See you in the next video.